Hey, guess what? We got another train coming. It's a pretty decent day. It's about 40 degrees, but that wind is just a damper on the mood. Not too much, though. See the camera shaking? It's because of the wind. I think we got about 30-mile-an-hour wind gust again today. Oh, that's got a funky sounding horn. Alright, here they come. Must have slowed them down a bit. They were moving at a pretty good pace. I saw this one on the rail cam. Woo, that wind. Oh my. Spot right there looks like a giant T. That's kind of cool. Oh, it's wind though. I know, I'm complaining. Only about the wind though, not about the train. That was definitely a flat spot. Another flat spot. Quite a few of them. Oh, looky there. Containers full of Swifties. Off to the next concert. Just kidding, just kidding. think I see the end of the train coming. Woo, that wind will take your breath away. Like a pretty girl in a ballroom dance. I'll tell you, the wind coming off this train though is making it a lot colder out here. Plus, when the wind picks up, it's kicking snow up real hard. We had a snowstorm a few days ago and it warmed up a little bit today, so a lot of the snow's already melted away. Well, there's the end of the train. Wow, that was a long one. It just got traffic backed up. That was a good one though. Alright y'all, thanks for watching. I'll see you later.